Okay guys, here we are at the critical part of the stereo installation in a 22 Sprinter van. This thing pops off pretty easily, but just be gentle. It's kind of weak in the middle. As you can see, you got the thin plastic. But I just used the basic car pry tools and the one that came with the kit. I think it came with the head unit. What I'm doing is the Dynavin. I'll show you the Dynavin real quick to show you what I'm putting in. This is the Dynavin 9, kind of built for Mercedes. In some ways, Sprinter, and here's its little brain. The brain will bolt to the back of that, which I didn't know it even had that. But we're pulling out the old unit, obviously. I already have installed some door speakers and tweeters, and I'm doing a remote sub. But this whole piece has to come out, so you can see you don't have to take these out first, but we do have to remove them to put them in our new screen that the Dynavin came with. You can see the Dynavin came with this whole new Sprinter screen to eliminate that lower pocket. That's what we're installing everything into, including our AC vent tubes. So we lose the lower pocket here because I have the cheap stereo. But as you can see, I'm going to be removing this entire beast. So I'll be Torx bitting those out. You can see those things. So that's this little component. So I got that apart pretty easily. I have some other links to other videos during this stereo installation, so you can see down in the body. I'll be adding more links to the tweeter stuff, to the woofer stuff, to the door installation stuff, and getting the power to this unit. It's got a lot of. I'm doing the power sub as well too. So stay tuned. I'll let you know what's going on. Appreciate any likes and subscribe. I hope it helps. Take care.